And I had 4 days. I thought plenty of time to finally make the windows. You might remember I put the frame a month ago, last time I was here. And so far I just closed the shutter and there were the windows were not there. And it was okay because I oiled the ceiling before I left last time. And it was good to air the space and to ease a little bit the smell that there is. But now, mid-October towards November, cold could set in. It's about time to finish the windows. Ich immer ein bisschen dokumentieren, was ich für Arbeiten mache am Haus.
Tust du das dann auf YouTube?
Genau.
Und wie heißt dieser Account?
So I thought those 4 days will be plenty just to enlarge, the frames, put in those pieces. I said it before, a whole stock of all the windows up in the attic. And when I looked closer, they were not exactly identical, the frames. So finally you just end up, adjusting. It's almost like carving the right pieces out of the wood. Of course, that's time consuming. And never forget, like a frame is, yeah, it looks like a rectangular frame, but there are so many different parts that needs to be taken care of. It's three-dimensional in a quite complicated way. Yes, I mean, theoretically it's always clear, but when you finally getting at it, yeah, always a surprise. Oh, it's already 1 day, 2 days, 3 days over. So, but now I'm really happy. The last thing that's missing is just putting in the glass. I hope I'll be able to do it tonight or tomorrow morning, because I'm really looking forward to see this very neat new insulating glass in those, I would say, rather beautiful old wooden frames. That was the goal of this week, and I just speed up to get it done by tomorrow noon. So at the very end of the process, I miscalculated a bit my time, because putting those wooden strips that hold the glass in place in the frame, that takes more attention and more precision. So I didn't want to just do it poorly. That's why I just opted for 2 vertical random wooden strips for now, and as so very often, the final result will be for next time and for next video.